there. Then we would have waited for another entry. Price came back up. We broke support once again. Once again, we broke support right on that level here as we start to break. 25-point stop loss. This one ended up being safe, as you can see. We entered right on that break. And again, we can go for our 1 to 5. 1 to 5 here is a little large, but we'll still take it and see what happens. Bam, 1 to 5 hit, just like that. So there's 2-1. Another day, another trading strategy, but this one right here is going to work extremely fast. And in fact, I believe it's going to be the fastest strategy I've ever taught. Not in terms of how fast I'm going to teach it, but in terms of how fast you're going to learn it and find success with. So sit back, relax, get yourself a bowl of popcorn, have both your main girl and your side girl come over and massage you, because that's what they're going to be doing soon once you start making millions of dollars from the strategy, and get ready to learn a strategy unlike anything you've ever seen before. So as you guys know, the markets have been extremely slow. Obviously, we're sending missiles into Iran and all kinds of crazy stuff, and it's affecting the markets. Now, I don't get political. I don't care to. I don't care what goes on. I don't follow anything like that unless it has to do with my beloved markets. And as of right now, the stuff that Trump's doing is causing the markets to shift a little bit. However, with that shift comes different ways to be successful within the markets. And one of the things that I always say is, if you want to be a successful trader, you have to adapt. The markets are never going to adapt to you. They're never going to say, hey, Anthony, would you like to make $100,000 today? Here, just buy here. No, they're going to do whatever the they want. It's up to you to adapt to the market. So what I've been doing with my team and in the kingdom in particular, and if you guys would like to join and just copy my trades, the link will be down below. But what I've been doing in there, and it's very simple, is having patience. Now, the markets have opened up very volume lacklustering, if that makes any sense. There hasn't been a lot of volume when the markets are officially open. But what I've been doing with my team is having patience, waiting till a little bit after session, and capitalizing on the perfect moments to trade. Here's the key difference. Stop loss has gotten much tighter, and my risk has also been cut more than in half. So if normally I'm risking $10,000 per trade, I'm now risking only $4,000, and my stop loss is much tighter. The reason for that is because of the markets being so crazy, we're seeing flip-flop markets all day, meaning we could be buying 1 second, selling the next. So we need to get into these trades very fast, very effectively. Now, here's the thing. Trading without capital, nearly impossible. Damn near impossible to trade without capital. You have to have capital if you want to be a successful trader. But guess what? You can now trade on the best futures prop firm right now with instant funding. Instant funding is now available with Legacy Traders. If I go to Legacy Funded Futures right now, we go over to Get Funded, we go to Instant. As you can see, you can now get up to $150,000 instantly. You guys know what that means? That means right now, like you pay, you get the money instantly, $150,000. Like you don't have to go and make 150K, you just get it instantly and you start trading today. Like that's what instant funding is. And for you guys who have been trying to build up your accounts or pass these tests, those days are gone. Legacy literally now offers instant funding. And I know these prices may seem like, they're okay, right? Discount code Mamba is going to get you 25% off right now. So click the link down below, go to legacyfundedfutures.com, use discount code Mamba, and literally get up to $150,000 to trade with right this second. Then use this strategy, and let me just say, things are going to change. And if you guys would like a crazy pairing, pair that with the Kingdom, link down below for $39.99. Copy all my trades with an instant funding account, and dude, we're talking about, it ain't rocket science. You copy, you go about your day, you withdraw. Life is good, man.
Life is good. You know what I mean?
A lot of people are already doing that inside the Kingdom. Okay, so strategy hasn't changed much. It's going to be the same strategy, but there's going to be a slight difference now in the way that I'm entering, how much I'm risking, and my stop loss as well. For example, we have a very nice break here, as you guys can see. Bam. Price starts to push above. Now, typically with a trade like this, as it pushes above, I'm going to take my buy. I mean, it's pretty simple, and I'm still doing the same thing, but here's the slight difference. What I'm doing now is I'm taking my buy, I'm having a super tight stop loss. On average, I'll go 25 points instead of 50, so I've cut my stop loss in half. I've also cut my risk in half as well, and I'm still going for those 1 to 5s. The main reason, and typically I was going for 1 to 3s on average because I could just get them like this, but now I want to get in very fast, tight stop loss, and I want that 1 to 5. Reason being, a 1 to 5 for me right now is going to make sure that the rest of the week, even if I lose a few more trades, I'm still going to be profitable. I have to lose 5 trades in a row now to be unprofitable. And when the markets are like this, and the markets are going crazy and it's easier to lose, I need that one big 1 to 5 trade to keep my confidence and psychology up, but also to make sure that I have that safety net of a 1 to 5 already being hit. Whatever happens next, it's going to happen. Maybe I lose 3 trades in a row and then I hit another 1 to 5. Boom, I now have 10 targets targets hit in total and only 5 losses, still you're very, very profitable at that rate. So that's how I'm kind of trading right now. As you can see, price starts to push above. We took our buy and a 125 got smacked. Very, very simple. Now here's another little example. As you can see, we have support here. I'll put this in replay mode to make it easier. Here is a seller's example. Now, as you can see, we have support here. Price start to broke here. We would have ended up taking a sell position, which is just me being real right there on that break. 25-point stop loss. As you can see, you would have got wrecked. You would have lost that trade. There's one loss right. The 5's right there and a loss. You now have hit 10 targets in total, 1 loss, meaning you can now go lose 9 more trades in a row at a 1 to 5 with a 25-point stop loss and still be break even. Now again, the strategy hasn't changed much, but I've adapted the way that I'm taking these trades in the sense of tighter stop losses, less risk, bigger risk to rewards. And that's how I'm trading in the war markets, and it's been working lovely. We've been killing it in the kingdom. I've been killing it week over week, making a shit ton of money as usual. And all it takes is a little adaptation. People don't understand that the markets just need adaptation. You want to be successful all year long? Adaptation. You have to learn to adapt. And luckily for you guys, you have my videos where I'm going to show you guys how to adapt no matter what type of situation we're in. And this is how I'm adapting right now, and it's been working lovely. So go get yourself a legacy account, get funded instantly, have $100,000 to trade with. Try this strategy, super tight stop losses. Go for those 1 to 5s. You may lose 3 trades in a row, then you hit a big one and boom, you're profitable. 4 losses in a row, 1 win, and you're still profitable. Try it out, man. It's a very, very simple strategy. Like I said, it's working for me and my team, and until the markets go back to what they were, we will keep farming the markets just like this. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. If you guys want more info on my strategy, although I just pretty much showed you it, watch any of my other videos on my strategy, then come back and see how to use it differently now. Very simple, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got some knowledge from it. Very simple, quick video, but that's how I'm adapting right now in the war markets. See you guys later. Peace.